Hello, good morning students. I am your computer teacher. Today I am going to discuss about number system. As you know in computer there are types of number system. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. There are 4 types of number system in computers. So, what is number system? First of all, what is number system? A mathematical notation for representing numbers using digits or symbols called a number system. You have already learned about number system in mathematics. Here also we are learning number system. So, basically we have learned in mathematics about base 10 system, that is decimal number system. So now in computer architecture there are 4 types of number system: binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. Now you have a question that what are they, how they are representing. Now I'll show you what is decimal number system. What is decimal number system? So decimal number system is a number system which has 0 to 9 numbers. So how many numbers altogether? There are 10. So its base will be 10. Next is octal number system. In octal number system there are numbers from 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, like that it will goes up to 7. So its base will be 8. Now in binary number system, you have already know about the binary number system because computer understands only binary number system 0 and 1. So it is also called bits. So its base will be 2, as there are 2 numbers 0 and 1. And 0 and 1, and you have learned already 0 means off, 1 means on. So computer understands only bits. So its base is 2. We have another hexadecimal number system. That is another number system. Hexadecimal, it stands for 0 to 15. 0 to 15. 0 to 15. 0 to 15. So altogether 0 to 15. So 0 to 9 we will write as usual. When you write 10, we should not write 10 because it's a repetition of number. So we will write, instead of 10 we will write capital A, or we will write A. So like that, for 11 write B, for 12 C, for 13 D, for 14 E, and for 15 F. So for A to F represents 10 to 15. 10 to 15. Okay. Now in our book there are some conversions are there. Conversions in the sense what? Means how to convert from decimal number system to binary number system. As I said about base, this is called base. What you write down, what you write in down. So now, and there is also, it is called base. These are called base. So suppose I have a decimal number system 65. As I said, it's a decimal number system, so its base is 10. So I have to convert it into binary number system, as binary has the system 2. So 65 will be divisible. Now we have to divide by 2. The process continues as we get the remainder 1 as it ends. So that way you are dividing 2, 32, then remainder 1, 16, 0, remainder 8, 4, 2, 1. So this is the last one, is called MSD or MSB, most significant bit or most significant digit, and LSD is called least significant bit or least significant digit. Least significant bit or least significant digit. Now when you write the answer, how will you write? You will write from downwards to upwards. The direction will be this one. So my number will be 65 base 10 equal to 1, then 1 2 3 4 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5 0, then 1. So now it already converted into binary number system. Now you will ask me, sir, if I want to convert this one from that one, how it is possible? Yes, it is possible. You have to convert into binary to decimal number system. How it will work? So we will write 1 0 0 0 0. What I got, I am writing here. Then I am writing, we have to convert 2 to 10. So its base is 2. It will be multiplied. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now what we will do? 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 is continuous 1 into 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 5 it becomes 64, and anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So as I written, so, and anything to the power 0 is equal to 1, as I already said in the previous class. So, and you have learned already in mathematics also. So 64 plus 1, it becomes 65. So what will my answer? So my answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 2 3 4 base 2 equal to 65 base 10. So this is the conversion of binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Now I'll show you in your book that for example it is given, example wise it is given in your book. Just a minute please. So converting numbers from decimal number system to binary number system. Decimal number system to binary number system. So it is given 1 1 0 0 0. So it is given in decimal number system. What I shall do? It convert into binary number system. It is given, I have to convert into decimal number system. So 1 into 0 1 2 3, 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now as multiplied by 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, it becomes 11. So I have already shown you in the earlier. Now in our book also given, these are given, decimal base is given 10, as I said, binary base is given 2. So how to convert? Binary given 0 0 0 0, so 0 into 2 to the power 0, and you should remember the values 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 up to 2 to the power 10. There are positive and negative number in the decimal number system. Yes, you know that in decimal number system, you know that in decimal number system there are positive and negative numbers are there, but in binary number system, negative numbers, if negative numbers are there, then it is converted into 2's complement method. Complement method I have already taught you, and I have already sent you the way how to do. Just a minute, I will show you the copy. In your first chapter I have already explained, and I have sent you. Now I am showing you some examples also here, binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So here given 62 base 10. Now it is converting this way. You can observe it. 62 2 31 0 2 15, it will go. So it will go downwards to upwards. So 62 base 10, what I write? 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 0. Now the reverse process I am doing here. So it will again give back 62. Same way base 10 convert into 2. How it will do? The same process we are following. And when you are writing, we are writing from downwards to upwards, not upwards to downwards. Please follow this one. Now as I said about hexadecimal number system, in this type of system the base is 16, as I already told. The digits from 0 to 9 written in the like octal number system, as you are writing 0 to 9, as you are writing, so 0 to 9, so we should write 0 to 9 as we are writing. Now from 10 to 15 it will be written in alphabet, it will be capital letters or small letters, capital A to F, capital A to F or small a to f. So it will be written as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. A, B, C, D, E, F, and its base always 16. How we identify it? We'll identify through that base. For a decimal number system, for an octal number system, for an hexadecimal number system, for a binary number system, you have to identify that way. Now they are given decimal number system, some examples as given. Decimal number system base 16, decimal number system base 10, and hexadecimal number system base 16. The conversion has given. Please go through this. Now at last, at the end of the chapter, we have concepts what we learned in number system. First of all, it is given that number system is a notation for representing numbers using digits and symbol. Here we are using digits and symbols. Base 10 system is called decimal number system. So you have already know it. A standard form of a decimal system, decimal number system, is expressed as a multiple of 1.0 to power 10. So as I said, and you also know that decimal number system, it starts from 1 and it ends with 0, and its base we used to write base 10. So it starts from 0 to 9, so total 10 numbers. Computers use binary number system. As you already know, computer is a machine, it understands only 0 and 1. So 0 means off, 1 means on. So it's a bits, binary digits. So that's why computer understands only binary number, understands only binary numbers. Now the number system with base 2 is called binary number system. If we encounter with negative integers, so it will be represented through 2's complement in the binary number. Octal number system uses 8 as base. As I said already, octal number system starts from 0 to 7, so total 8 numbers, so its base will be 8. Hexadecimal number system has base 16, so as usual we'll write 0 to 9, and from 10 onwards we'll use alphabets A to F, denoted by the symbols, denoted by the digits 10 and 10 to 15. Students, in your PDF I have already sent the summary of the chapter and discussed already all the question answers, and what I discussed now, I hope you understood. So that's the end of the chapter, and please prepare the lesson for the class test. It will be conducted on coming Wednesday. So hope all of you have understood it. Thank you very much.